Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au, letting you all know that the Ainslie exclusive, the 2023 Kookaburra from the Perth Mint, 1/10 ounce gold and 1/10 ounce platinum coin is now available for pre-order. They'll be in our hands, in Ainslie's hands, around about late January roughly. They've got to be made at the Perth Mint and then sent to us. But of course, if you order, we'll keep you updated as to what's going on. We'll let you know when your order is available to collect from the Brisbane or Melbourne stores, or once we've shipped it out, and we'll let you know the tracking number. But wanted to let you know the pre-order is available from today. Head over to ainslieBullion.com.au. A couple of ways to get to the page. Head over to the home page and click on this particular image right here, and it will take you to the Kookaburra section, and down the bottom you'll see the 1/10 ounce gold and the 1/10 ounce platinum. But I'll also put a link below to the individual product listings in the info section of the YouTube page and as part of the pinned comment. So a couple of ways to purchase, and of course you can just give us a call as well. You can even walk into the Brisbane and Melbourne stores and place a pre-order over the counter as well. So just quickly, what do we mean by an Ainslie exclusive? Well, as you know, the Kookaburra design is only usually for the silver coins, etc. So that's the same as the Kookaburra, the same as the koala as well, only for the silver. But they do make a very limited amount, and we're talking very, very limited, 15,000 in total, of a 1/10 ounce Kookaburra design in gold and a 1/10 ounce design in platinum. And the vast majority of those that are made at the Perth Mint get shipped straight away overseas to the international dealers, and literally only 1,000 are kept here in Australia for distribution, and Ainslie has the exclusive for those 1,000. So if you want one, you have to buy through us unless you've bought it from someone who's bought it from us originally, if that makes sense. So if you want them right now, you add it to your cart, etc. Again, give us a call or walk into the Brisbane and Melbourne stores. That's the gold right there. And of course, I'll just quickly show you the 1/10 ounce in the platinum as well. I bought a couple last year of the 2022 design, one each of the gold and the platinum. I'm pretty sure I'll be doing the same myself for the 2023. So letting you know, this very limited edition Ainslie exclusive is now available for pre-order. Again, head over to the website or click the product listings below in the info section of the YouTube page or as part of the pinned comment. And lastly, I do want you to, of course, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Why? Incredible amount of informative, educational and entertaining content 5 or 6 days a week, including our weekly Wednesday specials. It pays to subscribe just for those alone. I mean, never mind all this amazing other informative content we have. But on Wednesdays, we post our weekly Wednesday special, and being a YouTube subscriber means you get that information first. You are the early bird, because we do wait a little bit to then post it out to the rest of the social media sites. So being a subscribe to the channel, definitely worth it, just in case you miss out, and you don't want to miss out on a special. So like, share, subscribe, and as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.